Today we're going to do a really fun one. I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and very yummy carrot cake. So let's get on with the ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, 2 cups of grated carrot, 2 eggs, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and our last ingredient, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. For our first step, I'm going to get in my 2 eggs. And then I'll get in my oil. And I am using vegetable oil. You can use canola oil if you wish. Just going to start getting all of this mixed up. Once it's a little bit mixed up, then I'm just going to get all of my granulated sugar right into there. And now I want to mix this really well. Then I'm going to add in our little bit of vanilla. And I do have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Just going to increase my mixer. Incorporate a little air into our batter. Okay, that looks good. Bring in our flour. And then I'm just going to quickly combine all of our dry ingredients. And I'll just give those a little stir. I could have used a slightly larger bowl to make this a little easier, but you just want to get all these together, and that's good. Get this going, and then I'm just going to start getting it in here. And you can sift all of these ingredients if you wish. This is more of a dense cake, so I'm not worried about it. And our last little bit, once that's in, I'm going to take all of our nice carrot, get that in, and then just slowly incorporate all of that. I'll get back in the middle here so we can see. And that's perfect, just like that. What I have here is a 9x9 square baking tin lined with parchment paper. Just going to get our really nice batter right into there. It smells really good. Okay, that's good. I'm just going to make sure it gets into all of the edges here and the corners. Just give it a little tap. And now right into my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven. I'm going to bake it and I'll come back and I'll tell you exactly how long. So here we go. I baked my cake for exactly 35 minutes in my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven. Right now it's extremely hot, so I'll let it cool down and then I'll come back in a little while. I'm just going to get some of this in here. I'm using an offset spatula, which makes this really easy. You can get right into the corners. Now you can frost it in the tin, or you can remove it from the tin, but I find it a little easier like this, because then you can just put it back in your fridge and chill this down, and then you're going to get a nice slice later on. So I'm going to put this into my fridge for about 30 minutes. I'll bring it over on my cutting board. So I can't wait any longer. I want to cut into this. This smells really, really good. I'm just going to take a little slice here. I'll get it on my plate. I'll take another one here. Now if you want this icing to be much more firm before you cut it, you're going to want to put this into the freezer and let it sit there for maybe 15 or 20 minutes, and that'll make it a lot easier to cut. I'm going to turn this around, and we must zoom in on this because I want to show you how nice this cake is, and it smells amazing. Now that I've zoomed in, hopefully you can see how nice this carrot cake is. One thing that you may have noticed is that I didn't use any pineapple in this recipe. This recipe is really, really good, and you just don't need it. I'm going to show you how nice this is. Look at how tender that is. It's just ready to fall apart. Super, super moist. That's really, really good. I can't say enough about this cake. You have to try it at home and you're going to understand how good this is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. If you're on Facebook, you can check me out over there, facebook.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. That is amazing. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.